Hey there! Are you ready to embark on a journey that will unveil the secrets of exceptional packaging? You've come to the perfect place. We believe that packaging is an art form, an opportunity to enchant, surprise, and leave a lasting impression. Join us as we delve into a world where imagination meets practicality and where every unboxing becomes an experience to remember. Welcome to Soar High, where young dreams turn into epic entrepreneurial journeys. Remember, with a sprinkle of imagination and a dash of determination, you have the power to create your own enchanting success story. Let the magic begin. Packaging plays a crucial role in the branding and presentation of a small business. It helps create a positive impression and can set your products apart from the competition. Here are some packaging ideas for your small business. 1. Minimalist and eco-friendly packaging. Embrace a minimalist design with clean lines and simple branding elements. Opt for eco-friendly materials like recycled or biodegradable packaging to showcase your commitment to sustainability. 2. Customized boxes. Design unique boxes that reflect your brand's personality. Consider adding your logo, tagline, or a visually appealing pattern to make your packaging stand out. Custom boxes can create a memorable unboxing experience for customers. 3. Personalized labels and stickers. Use custom labels and stickers to add a personal touch to your packaging. Include the customer's name, a handwritten thank you note, or a discount code to enhance the customer experience and encourage repeat purchases. 4. Creative wrapping. If you sell small or delicate items, consider wrapping them creatively. Use colorful tissue paper, ribbons, twine, or custom printed wrapping paper to add a special touch. This can create a sense of anticipation and excitement for customers. 5. Branded tissue paper. Wrap your products in tissue paper featuring your business logo or a unique pattern. Branded tissue paper not only protects the product but also adds a touch of sophistication and professionalism to your packaging. 6. Customized inserts. Include branded inserts such as postcards, product catalogs, or discount vouchers to provide additional information about your business and encourage customer engagement. 7. Gift packaging. Offer gift packaging options for customers looking to purchase presents. Consider using elegant gift boxes, bags, or wrapping paper with complementary ribbons and gift tags. This can help expand your customer base during special occasions and holidays. 8. Unconventional materials. Experiment with unconventional materials for packaging, such as fabric pouches, reusable containers, or glass jars. This can add a unique and eco-friendly touch to your products. 9. QR codes and augmented reality. Incorporate QR codes on your packaging that customers can scan for additional product information, tutorials, or interactive experiences using augmented reality. This can provide an innovative and engaging way to connect with your customers. 10. Seasonal and limited edition packaging. Create special packaging designs to celebrate holidays or limited time promotions. This adds a sense of exclusivity and urgency, enticing customers to make a purchase. Remember, when designing your packaging, consider your target audience, your brand identity, and the type of products you sell. Strive to create packaging that aligns with your business values and enhances the overall customer experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our mystical community of like-minded dream weavers. Together, we'll cast spells of success, unlock hidden potentials, and conquer the business realm like never before.